Hey everyone, welcome. Today, I'm excited to showcase my radar visualization program alongside my Arduino setup system. Um, so I built this to basically simulate and analyze how a radar detects and visualizes targets in real time. So the project combines, I made a Python program using pygame and an Arduino setup program as well to create a functional radar system capable of detecting and displaying distances, angles. So the actual sensor itself is good for up to 400 centimeters. So that's what it's programmed for. Anyways, like I was saying, the hardware that I used, so I used a Arduino Uno servo motor, an ultrasonic sensor. Um, the sensor is getting swept. I have it set for 160 degrees on top of a servo motor, and it's sending distance and angle data back to the program via serial connection. Which point it's sent to my Python program, um, which puts it out on display. So here, I'll show you. Let me just plug in my serial port, which gives it power as well. There we go. Now we'll just get started there, and then I can open up my visualization program, and I'll just pop that right up here. So you can see right up in here is my kid's fridge. This will be the wall and the door. And then right in here will be the Mr. Inventor kit right here. So if I start moving some targets around, you'll see the distances will change as it's sweeping. So we got this data right here is going into the other room. Fridge got moved back. There's still the wall, more so where the fridge is. And this is where the Mr. Inventor kit, it's pretty close to. And I would say it's fairly accurate. Um, there's a few times where it actually gets bad data and it says it's essentially double what it's supposed to get, like 800 centimeters. So that's probably just a timeout, I believe. Um, but yeah, this is what I got. Um, so, anyways, the radar identification targets based on the distance and angle. So if there's anything very close as well, I think I set it to 20 centimeters. So I put my hand in the way there. It'll come up red. It'll give a sound. It'll also stop moving. So if I keep my hand there, it'll just stay until it times out. It'll just go back to sweeping. Yeah, so I toyed with a couple ideas for like future implementation. Sorry. Um, what I was thinking of doing is you can add a camera on top of it too. Um, so when you actually do get some target acquisition, and set the camera to just take a picture of the area. So you could just have the camera on top of the servo as well, just to maintain the same angle. Um, this would basically just act as like a surveillance camera, I guess, in this case, but you could also use it for video as well, sort of like what we have cameras out front of the house. So if they see anybody, it'll take a video recording of it for a set length of time. But yeah, like I found this project was pretty cool. Hardware gave me a little bit of issues. The sonic sensor is it can be a little bit finicky at times, especially with surfacing. So, for instance, I have this set up on my toolbox here, but if that was on the ground, it would be getting weird pings from the flooring that I have here, which is a little, I guess the reflection is a little weird, but it was saying that all my firewall was at 60 centimeters. So that was basically the max distance, and that was at the same location here. So the data was just not accurate at all. Um, yeah. Um, that was basically it, other than software issues that are always issues. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it.